This is a demonstration to how to use this TLTXT tool to insert large blocks of text on a TL whiteboard where the individual words are word by word inserted. And this is available at this URL, which is the Bali Sutta Readings GitHub/TLTXT. On the main URL we have the Sutta Readings website, which you may have seen before. So on the /TLTXT URL, this page is available. With this is a TL draw that I extended with an extra tool, this TLTXT tool. So to use this, the first step is to copy some text to your clipboard. So if you have the text, for example, this is the commentary to Dhammapada 95. We select the text, copy the selection, and with this tool selected, click on the whiteboard. The text will be inserted from that corner. It already picked up what was on your clipboard. If you unselect wrap text, then it will not break the lines at it will be as you formatted, which is good if you've already broken those lines at particular lengths. But if you just copy paste text, then you can choose it to auto wrap it. OK is going to create the text objects, and so you can see this is the text wrapped at a particular line width. Now to move it over to TL draw session that you can share with other people, first with the select tool, right click, select all, then copy and move over to a tab that is on tldraw.com, and on a board that you're going to use the main menu to paste the text, so that it's going to paste it at the coordinates, at the location that was on the other board. If you use the right click to insert the text, then it's going to insert it centered on the cursor, which means that the text will extend beyond and above where you are, which is I suppose you could zoom out and move it, but it's easier to use the main menu, and then it will be inserted at the correct location. So to try this again, so file, edit, paste. Then this gives us the text from the top. The Declensions link is a bookmarklet which you can drag to your bookmark toolbar, and if you use this on a TL draw board or on any other website, then this will pop up. This will add this Declensions diagram on the board, which then everybody can individually position wherever they feel it's best, or they can resize it. The resizing can be a bit quirky, but I think you'll be able to manage it. The theme can be changed to light or dark or light, as anyone prefers. This way, and it can be hidden with the X. This way you don't have to insert the image as a media upload, but everybody can use this to see the declensions. When you're reading the text, if you have the SyncSapa application installed and you added the browser plugin, there is a plugin for Firefox and Chrome browser as well. This Brave browser can use the Chrome browser plugin, which is it's available. So to install the browser plugin, the Firefox plugin is available in the Firefox extensions website, but the Chrome plugin, you have to download a zip file and follow the steps, which is not complicated. You'll be able to manage it. If you have the extension installed, then you can use the it will be useful to look up words with the dictionary window. So with the word lookup window, we can resize this smaller, and while you're reading, then it is toggled, the dictionary, the plugin, the browser plugin toggles dictionary lookup in the dictionary window with double click, but the first double click on a word just opens the selection in TLDraw, so the second double click is what should open the word. Do we need to perhaps reload? Yes, that's right, we needed to reload the page, and then double click sends that word to the dictionary lookup automatically. And so we can use this to double click action to quickly do dictionary lookups. It sometimes will take a while to find the right word. Basic, for example. Maybe find the breakdown. The constructor also will break down the words correctly.